You like it? Yeah. What's up, y'all? So in this video I just did a little bit of thrifting. Went with my brother, just a quick little stop while we're out. But as soon as I pulled up, I saw this bag in the window. This bag is very, I say, on trend right now, so I thought it'd be cool to have this. But yeah, so if you want to see what other items I got, please continue to watch, and don't forget to like, comment, subscribe. Videos every single Tuesday. Thank you for watching. So usually when I go thrifting, my first go-to spots are like men's shirts and then the jeans section. But because this caught my eye through the window, had to go grab that bag before anybody else did. So this is a really small trip just to pass the time. So I just got a few items that I wouldn't really have to upcycle. And shorts are only 99 cents since it's getting colder. There's my brother right there. And everything only cost me $12. Hope it's not too bright. Sorry if it is. But as you've seen in the earlier clips, when thrifting a little bit, wasn't really too picky about things. Just trying to find a few items that I've been looking for. And as soon as we pulled up, right in the window was this bag. And I really feel like this was like somebody made this. But I used to live near Charlotte and I absolutely love North Carolina. And I thought it'd be cute to DIY, maybe put some like beads right here or paint on it more, something like that. I don't know. I'm trying to get more purses and more bags because I always carry like the same one for like months on end. And then all shorts are on sale for 99 cents. So I got some, look like somebody gave away some shorts from PT. Some army shorts, just cute to wear around the house. Also an army brat. So yeah. Well, retired army brat. You know, shout out to all the veterans and service members out there. And then also I got this, it's a, who's this by? A brand called Arena. Can you see that? That's the brand. Well, imagine if I fell. I think it's silk, it's polyester, but it's a very nice flowy. Uncle at the cookout. My papa wears a lot of shirts like this, but I've seen a few outfits with shirts and button-ups like this, and I thought it was really cute. Lastly, because I have another shirt like this, it doubles as a dress for me because it's so long, but I could also probably wear it with jeans and stuff like that. Insert pictures here. I got this very big polo, and it's from the brand Cutter and Buck. It's a double XL. So if you don't know, I'm from South Carolina, so I think that this was custom made for something because it says Palmetto Dunes Hilton Head. Might end up taking that up because I have no idea what that is. Hope it's nothing bad. But very long, fit like a dress on me. Comes all the way, boop, all the way down here. I think it's actually longer than my other one. But yeah. So I'm really not going to do a lot of thrift flips on these things, but I thought I would also show you some of my favorite items either in this video or the next video and maybe style all of them. Hopefully I can do some more DIYs, thrifting, upcycling, redoing outfits that I've seen on Pinterest and stuff like that. So hope you enjoyed. I haven't done a lot of outros because I suck at them and I don't know what to say, but thank you guys so much for watching. That's it. Bye.